This course really starts here. In this section, I'll be taking you on an exciting journey of building and managing an investment portfolio while sharing monthly videos where I review its performance and explore my investment decisions. Here are some of the incredible benefits you will gain from joining me in this engaging experience. Witness the practical application of the investment theories and concepts we've covered in this course. By observing the step-by-step process of constructing and managing a portfolio, you will see how theory translates into real-world decision-making. Through in-depth analysis of the portfolio's performance, we'll discuss essential risk management strategies and the art of diversification. This invaluable knowledge will empower you to make informed choices and navigate potential challenges in your own investment journey. As we progress through the monthly updates, you will gain confidence in your ability to build and manage your investment portfolio. My successes and setbacks will serve as valuable learning experiences, inspiring you to take action and embark on your path to financial freedom. The world of investments is dynamic and ever-changing. By consistently updating the portfolio and sharing valuable insights, you'll stay informed about the latest market trends and developments. This culture of continuous learning will equip you with the tools to adapt and thrive in the ever-evolving investment landscape.